First thing you want to do is come into your aux master section and have that set up. So we're going to be using 3 today, so we're going to want to turn it on first. Then we're going to want to turn the knob all the way up because it's our wet-dry ratio. We want to have it at 100%. I'm going to come over to my patch bay over here. I want to come out of auxiliary 3 since that's the one we're going to be using, but we're going to be using a reverb and I want it stereo, so I'm going to have to mult it. So patch it into the mult. Now I have the same signal split so I can come in stereo into the reverb, and the reverb we're going to be using is the PCM96. So I want to go to the input, have the PCM96, and then I want to take the output, the PCM96, I'm going to route that back into channel so we can monitor it there. And I want to send that back to the multi-track return 1 and 2 because these are the channels we're going to be using. Now, I want to come over to 1 and 2, make sure they're both raised up to unity gain. I want to make sure they're both routed to left and right, hard left and hard right. And then I just go to whatever channel I'm going to use, and we're going to take the Vox. I want to go to aux 3, and I want to turn that one on, and I'm going to turn it up. Turn it on, and then just crank up how much auxiliary you want. And that's all there is to it. Right now we have set up, we have a subgroup of drums, and we're going to insert some compressors onto each channel. So, first thing we want to do is come over to our patch channels 23 and 24. We want to go to our insert sends 23 and 24. We're going to patch out of them into the ends of our DBX compressors, which is the 160. And then out of these DBX compressors, we're going to be patching right back into the insert return. So, out of the DBX 160s, go right back into the insert returns on channel 3 and 24. And then once you do that, you want to make sure you go back to the channel. INS, that's all you have to do is hit that. Right away you can hear that compression.